Hello, this is Eric. I want to show you how to use the training environment in conjunction with the staging environment to create a WFFTS feature and have it show up in staging. Now, none of this is system of record scenario. It's merely a opportunity for you to do some training, to get comfortable with both WFFTS and IFPRS before you get into production and start doing stuff for real. So as you can see, I've already opened an Arc Pro project. I'm splitting the screen right here so you can see what happens when it really goes into effect when I create something, which is pretty cool. But what you're going to have to do right off the bat is make sure you have your training edit service added to your Arc Pro as an edit service. So go to add data. When that window pops open, go to my organization. And this is going to be the crucial part of this is that you've already signed in to your NIFC account. You can go to my organization and in the search bar, you can type WFFTS, WFFTS. And of the data that you can add, the training edit service is the one that you want. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again, but you would just simply highlight it and then hit OK. And it's blue. That's the color for the training, and WFFTS is blue. So I've already got that in here, and what I'm going to do next is create a polygon in Arc Pro, and it will be pushed over into staging. So I'm going to quickly draw a feature. So I need to edit, create, and I'm going to select the planned ignition. It doesn't really matter which one. They all come across in WFFTS, and I'm going to draw a box around this treatment area real quick. And we're going to so that is the biologic area, and I'm going to hit the finish, save, and clear. Now there it is right there. So it just showed up over here in staging, and the key to being able to make sure you see what shows up there is that the WFFTS I under the creation copying layers in the legend is not slashed through. So you can turn that on and off. So there it is, and now I can go right into creating a actual or estimated treatment. Good luck.